Welcome back to the studio. This is Lisa, and I have had a few requests about how I am mixing my oil paint with the cold wax medium. So in today's video, I wanted to show you a typical layout of a palette, which is on freezer paper, and I put my color out, and ever how much oil paint color that I put out, I put that much wax beside of the color so that I don't forget to put the wax in as I'm painting, which is very easy to do when you are concentrating on painting. But if you go ahead and do your mixes on your palette like this, you won't forget to put the wax in, and all of your paints are ready to go, ready to use on whatever painting you're working on. So I'm going to show you how these colors mix up with the wax and how they will change from a very glossy oil paint to a matte finish once the wax is added. This is typically how I mix a 50-50 ratio of paint and wax before I begin a painting in my studio on paper or panel, or before I begin filming a video. This way your paint and your wax is already pre-mixed and you are ready to begin creating. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this video helps. And please subscribe to my channel and leave any comments that you would like to below. Thanks so much, everyone. Until next time.